Dates are a fundamental concept in programming, representing specific points in time. In JavaScript, we use the date object to work with dates. Date formatting is crucial in various applications such as data visualization, reporting, and user interface design. It helps us present date information in a clear and meaningful way. In JavaScript, we use the date object to work with dates. We can create new data objects using the constructor or by passing a string representation. The date object provides various methods for working with dates, such as getting and setting individual date components. To format dates, we use the localString method or create a custom format using template literals. We can create custom formats using template literals, specifying the format options for each date component. When working with dates, it's essential to avoid common mistakes, such as using the wrong method or forgetting to handle time zones. To write efficient and effective date formatting code, follow best practices, such as using the correct methods and handling edge cases. Date formatting has numerous real-world applications, such as data visualization, reporting, and user interface design. To further improve your skills in date formatting, practice working with different formats and edge cases. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of date formatting in JavaScript, including working with date objects and methods. Thank you for watching this tutorial on date formatting in JavaScript.